The God who made the winters and the summers, the one who put the stars all in their place, the only one who stands above all others. He knows me by name. The angels hide their faces in His presence. The demons run for cover when you speak. You rule the world and reign above the heavens, and still draw close to me. And when I close my eyes, I know that I'm not just hoping, I'm not just wishing. I know I'm praying to a God who listens. I know He hears me, I know He's living. Yes, I am praying to a God who listens. He walks with me and leads me by still waters. I lay my troubles down at His feet. It's amazing that the Savior and the Father, He is a friend to me. How can it be? I'm not just hoping, I'm not just wishing. I know I'm praying to a God who listens. I know He hears me, I know He's living. Yes, I am praying, yes, I am praying to a God who listens. You're a God who listens, who knows me, who loves me, who never will fail me, who tells me that I am His own. And you surround me, remind me, you always are for me. So I come boldly to your throne. I'm not just hoping, I'm not just wishing. Yes, I am praying to a God who listens. And oh, what a promise that we've been given. Yes, we are praying to a God who listens. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm not just hoping, I'm not just wishing, I'm not just
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in a fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Where are you now? see I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faint lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now? Someone's running wild inside me.
All stop.
Good day, I'm Chris Ann Martinez, 27 years old from Philippines. I graduated with my degree in animal science 6 years ago and immediately went to work as an animal technician. But I decided to go to abroad because I want to broaden my experience and level up my skills. That's why I'm currently working for 4 years here in Japan as a dairy farmer. Right now we have a herringbone type of parlor. We milk around 550 heads twice a day. We are used in detecting and treating mastitis. Besides milking, I can also perform artificial insemination and calf castration. I can also drive tractors, forklift, and other machineries. I can also clean the barn, vaccine and vitamin administration, and many other more. I hope I can join to your growing company to enhance my career and also to share my skills, knowledge, and experience. God bless and thank you.